Hi, are you looking out to build a successful career in futures and options trading and want to learn options from the basic to the advanced level? So what better place than learning from the experts themselves who have been trading options since a lot of time. So we at Quantsapp, we believe in a learn and earn kind of an experience, and data driven trading or data driven approach towards trading is something which we promote always. So we are coming up with options certification course which will be taken care by Mr. Rahul Prajapati, who is head trainer out here in Quantsapp. Talking about Mr. Rahul, he has been in the market for last 10 years. Mr. Rahul has taught 5,500 plus students throughout his entire career. We would be also having guest speakers, Mr. Bhavin Desai, President Quantsapp, Mrs. Tina Ma'am, President at Quantsapp, and CEO of Quantsapp, Mr. Shubham Agarwal. So they would be also throwing some light on some unique topics out there in the market. Now, talking about this course, so the duration of course would be 3 months, wherein there would be 24 sessions which would be conducted. So the sessions would be interactive so that one can go ahead and directly clear out the doubt in the session itself. We would be also conducting live market sessions wherein the theories we learn, we will deal it with the practical approach in the live market. There would be also guest sessions involved in it which we just now discussed. Now, talking about the agenda of this particular workshop, we will start the workshop from the very basics itself, wherein we will learn about what exactly stock market is, what are futures, what are options, the basic terminologies we will get it cleared. Then we will move towards advanced topics like how we can go ahead and trade implied volatility. Option Greeks and sweet spots of Greeks, we will understand those. Then we will learn how we can go ahead and build a strategy and further modify it. Then we will also understand how we can go ahead and trade expiries but in a systematical way. Then we will learn about trading events in a much more systematical and the statistical way. So I would say this workshop would be an end-to-end solution to begin your options trading career with. So do check out the link in the description box below for exciting offers. Thank you so much.